Hi students! In this video, we will review the August 2022 Algebra 1 Regents. This video will contain the solutions to questions numbers 6 through 10. Go ahead and grab a notebook and a pencil, and let's get started. Number 6, the expression 1/3 x times 6x squared minus 3x plus 9 is equivalent to. In this case, we don't need to factor, but we do need to perform the distributive property to find an equivalent expression. Let's get started. When we distribute 1/3 x to each of the terms in the parentheses, let's see what we have. 1/3 times 6 is 2. X times x squared is x cubed. 1/3 times -3 is -1. X times x is x squared. 1/3 times 9 is 3, and we're just going to hold on to the x. So we have 2x cubed minus 1x squared plus 3x. We don't technically need the 1 there, so I'm going to rewrite that one more time for us. We have 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x. So the correct answer is choice 3. Number 7, the graphs below represent 4 polynomial functions. Which of these functions has zeros of 2 and -3? Remember, zeros are also known as roots. They're also known as solutions. They're also known as x-intercepts, which means these are the points where the graph, in this case, the parabola, or also known as the quadratic function, is crossing the x-axis. So we would like to see when that's happening. In answer choice 1, the parabola is crossing the x-axis at -2 and 3. So the zeros for answer choice 1 is -2 and 3, and that is not what we're looking for. For answer choice 2, the zeros are -3 and -2. -3 is right here and -2. Again, that is not what we're looking for. Answer choice 3, the zeros are -3 and 2. That looks to be correct. And for answer choice 4, the zeros are 2 and 3. That looks to be incorrect. So answer choice 3 is the correct answer. What is the constant term of the polynomial 4d plus 6 plus 3d squared? Let's recall the definition of a constant term. It is a term with no variable, right? No x, y, a, b, c, or d, and it's only a number. So when we take a look at this polynomial over here, it's clear that 6 is the term with no variable, and it's simply a number by itself. So that is the correct answer. Number 9, Emily was given $600 for her high school graduation. She invested it in an account that earns 2.4% interest per year. If she does not make any deposits or withdrawals, which expression can be used to determine the amount of money that will be in the account after 4 years? So we know that 4 is our time factor. This is consistent across all 4 answer choices. We also know that 600 is our principal or initial value. This number is also consistent across all 4 answer choices. We should also pay attention to what's happening in the problem. She is investing this money. Anytime you invest money and you are earning interest on an annual basis, that means your money should be going up, which means we're looking for an addition operation. So automatically we can go ahead and eliminate answer choice 4 and answer choice 2 because there is a subtraction operation. For answer choice 1 and 3, the only difference is how the actual interest rate is showing up. Remember, our goal is to convert the percent into a decimal. We're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. That's 1 and then 2. We typically have to divide by 100 when converting a percent into a decimal. So the decimal equivalent would be 0.024. So the correct answer is choice 3. Number 10, different ways to represent data are shown below. We have a dot plot here, we have a box and whisker plot, and we have a histogram. Which data representations have a median of 2? The easiest representation to determine a median is actually the box and whisker plot. We can see that the middle number right here is 2. So that is always going to be the median. So I know for sure that the correct answer has to have choice 2 in it. So let's see what we can eliminate. So the only one we can eliminate so far is choice 2. Let's check out the dot plot. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 data points in total, which means we're going to have 7 and 7, and then the number right in the middle, which is the 8th point, is going to be the median. So we can count starting from the left or from the right. We should still end up at the same answer. Let's count together to find the 8th data point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8th data point is going to be a 2. So we know for sure that the median for the dot plot is 2. So we can eliminate answer choice 3 because it has omitted the dot plot as one of the answers. And we know for sure that the median for 1 and 2 is both 2. For the histogram, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 data points. So we're going to have 10 and 10, and the data point right in the middle, which is the 11th data point, is going to be the median. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's going to fall somewhere around here. So the median for this histogram is actually 3, not 2. So the correct answer is choice 1. The dot plot and the box and whisker plot both have a median of 2. Let's take a quick look at factoring polynomials. Oftentimes on the Algebra 1 Regents, you will not see the phrase factor the polynomial below. You just won't see it. More often than not, it will be written which expression is equivalent to. So this is a phrase you want to be very comfortable with. And when you see it, you should know that you are being asked to factor is equivalent to. So taking a look at question number 1 here, you can tell that this is a trinomial. So we're going to use the trinomial factoring method. You ask yourself, what two numbers, when you multiply, you get x squared? That's x times x. What two numbers, when you multiply, you get -6? So one's going to be positive and one's going to be negative. But when you add, you get +5, right? So 3 plus -2 is 1. 2 plus -3 is -1. -6 plus 1 is -5. And +6 plus -1 is +5. So answer choice 4 is the correct answer. If you learned something in this video, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.